Hello, this is Robin with Cowboy Studio. Today we're going to look at how to assemble our softboxes with the universal speed ring. So let's get started. Okay, let's take a look at the parts of our softbox. We have the speed ring. This will be the base that we assemble each piece to. We have the rods to give it structure. We have the body of the softbox itself. And we have an internal and an external diffuser. Okay, let's get started. First we'll open up the softbox. Some softboxes have a Velcro here to give you some slack. Others have an elastic piece that goes here. They both work essentially the same way. We'll lay the softbox out around the speed ring. Then take each rod. The large end of the rod goes into the speed ring. The smaller end will go into a flap here on the corner of the softbox. Now there's two layers of the flap. You want to go between the two black layers with the small end of the rod. And then the other end of the rod will go into the hole here on the speed ring. Do this with each of the four corners. At this point, you will have to start bending the rods to get them to fit into the slots on the speed ring. The last one will be the hardest. Take and slide it down between the speed ring and the box into the tab. And push down on the speed ring. I know it's hard for you to see this, but then I'm going to take and slide the rod into the speed ring. I can close up my Velcro. Make sure that your adjustment screws to tighten it onto your light are accessible. We'll take it then, the internal diffuser. There's elastic tabs. Some of these boxes will have a Velcro strip here. It should work essentially the same way. The inner diffuser is assembled. The outer diffuser simply wraps around the outside of the softbox. There's Velcro here to keep it in place. Now you have your completed softbox. Thank you for shopping with Cowboy Studio.